Welcome back with me, Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Puma MB.02 Guttermelo colorway. So let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample on the marking area, you can see the eyelets here is slightly come up. It doesn't have a gap with the lining, whereas on the authentic one it has a little bit gap between the lining and the eyelets here. And also you can see here on the fake one, there's a lot of glue stain. It's looking so dirty, always like this, between the upper material and the midsole. Another sample also, as you guys can see, there's a white glue stain between the upper material and the midsole. It's looking so dirty. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you guys can see on the marking area, the deep color is looking different, whereas on the authentic one it is only yellow color, whereas on the fake one there is no yellow color, and also the outline of the word is red. Another sample also, as you guys can see, still same, the outline, the color is in yellow, the outline is only red color, and also there is a white glue stain here on the midsole. It's looking so dirty. Looking from above here, as you guys can see, the stitches color is different. On the authentic one is red, on the fake one is yellow. Also this one, the number one color is yellow on the fake one, on the authentic one is green. And also you can see on the tongue here, the Melo tattoo, the color is different. This one on the fake one is yellow, on the authentic one is green. And also you can see it on the tongue tab, color is different. Also there's a white color on the cat on the fake one compared to the authentic. There is no white color. It is looking totally different. Moving to the back of the shoes on the heel, as you guys can see here, this one isn't centered. I put a line on it, so you can easily understand. The outsole is slightly to the left, not like the authentic here, it's right in the middle. And also the letter, the word Gutter Cat Gang, slightly come up, isn't placed right in the middle like the authentic here. Another sample also, as you guys can see, the dots on the Melo here isn't centered between the two letters. This one is slightly to the right, and also this one, the line here isn't centered, as well as the white glue stain here. Take a closer look here. As you guys can see, the dots here isn't centered. This one is slightly to the right compared to the authentic one here, is right in the middle. And also the Gutter Cat Gang has a different font. You can see it is a little bit sharp on the authentic one here. On the fake one is looking just like this, a little bit shorter. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question or request, feel free to DM me on my Instagram. You can write down in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.